Helping your baby transition from a bottle to a sippy cup is an important milestone that encourages independence and supports healthy drinking habits. With the right approach and a little patience, it can become a smooth and positive learning experience for both you and your baby. Introducing a sippy cup early can make the transition from bottle or breastfeeding much smoother for your baby. Many parents begin offering a sippy cup when their baby is around 6 months old, as this is the stage when babies start learning new feeding skills. Early introduction helps your baby become familiar with the cup shape, texture, and purpose before they become too attached to the bottle. By allowing your baby to explore the cup during this stage, you give them time to adjust gradually, making the learning process feel natural and less stressful. Selecting the right sippy cup plays an important role in helping your baby adapt to this new way of drinking. Look for cups designed for beginners, preferably with easy-to-grip handles and a soft spout that is gentle on your baby gums. Lightweight cups are easier for small hands to hold, which encourages your baby to practice independently. When first introducing a sippy cup, it is helpful to fill it with a drink your baby already recognizes. Using breast milk, formula, or even a small amount of water can make the experience less confusing, because the taste is already familiar. This approach helps your baby focus on learning how to drink from the cup, rather than adjusting to a new flavor. Keeping the liquid familiar creates a sense of comfort and encourages your baby to take those first curious sips. Mealtime provides a perfect opportunity to introduce the sippy cup, because your baby is already in a feeding routine. While your baby is seated and enjoying solid foods, gently offer the cup as part of the meal. This helps them associate the cup with eating and drinking habits. Over time, your baby will begin to see the sippy cup as a normal part of their daily meals, which can make the transition from bottle to cup feel more natural. Not every baby responds the same way to a single type of sippy cup, so experimenting with different styles can be very helpful. Some babies prefer cups with soft spouts, while others find it easier to drink from straw cups or spout-free training cups. Trying a few options allows you to discover which design your baby feels most comfortable using. Once you find a style that suits your baby preferences, they are more likely to practice drinking and develop confidence in using the cup regularly. By practicing regularly and creating a supportive environment, your baby will soon become comfortable using a sippy cup and develop important self-drinking skills. This small step helps build confidence and encourages healthy independence as your baby grows.